How are you, my lovely girls? Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about resistors. In this lesson, we are going to know what is meant by a resistor, and number 2, recognize the symbol for a resistor, describe the current potential difference graph for an ohmic conductor. To understand what is meant by resistance, first, you must know what is the electricity. The electric current is a flow of electrons. As you can see, this is a conductor. This is what? A conductor. And you can see the symbol EE. This is the electrons flows inside the conductor. As the electrons move through a conductor, they collide with atoms in the metal. Electrical energy is transferred into other form, for example, thermal. The resistance tells us the potential difference required to drive a current through a component. So, if we have a component, the resistance tells us how many current or the amount of current required to that device or that component. So, we can say that the resistance is related to the potential difference and the current. The resistance measured in ohm, the potential difference measured in volts, and the current measured in ampere. This is the shape of the resistors, and this is the symbol of the resistor. As you can see, you are going to draw it like this inside the circuit. To understand the function of the resistor or why we use the resistance, let's take examples for this. First, for example, we have battery here. The potential difference at this battery is 20 volts. And the lamp here, the potential difference at the lamp is 20 volts. So all the potential difference will enter to the lamp. But this lamp, if we are going to give it the 20 volts, so the current will enter to this lamp with high value, so it will be damaged. So what is the solution now, or what we can do to this circuit? We are going to add a resistor, okay? So what will happen? You are going to find here the potential difference 20 volt, the same potential difference. But if you are going to put the resistor will take potential difference 10 volt and the lamp will take 10 volts. So you are going to decrease the potential difference at the lamp. We can know the value of the resistor by knowing two things. The first is the potential difference, and the second is the current or the intensity of the current, I. So here we have the potential difference equals 10 volts and we have the current I equals 0.1 ampere. We can calculate the resistance by the relation R equals V over I. V for the potential difference and I for the intensity of the current. This is the relation R equals V over I, as we said. So V equals 10 volts, yes, and I equals 0.1. So the resistor equals 100 ohm. The unit for measuring the resistor is ohm, remember it. So we have potential difference. The potential difference, the unit is volts, and the intensity of the current, I, the unit is ampere. And we have the resistor, the unit is what? Ohm. And now let's see the relation between the current and the potential difference. Now if we have the potential difference equals 0 volts and we have the resistor equal 100 ohm, so the current equals what? 0. You can calculate it by using the relation R equals V over I, okay? Now let's see the next point. If we have the potential difference equal 10 volts and also the resistor equals 100 ohm, so if you are going to calculate the current equals 0.1 ampere. And we are going to draw it like this. 10, you can see 10 here, and 0.1. And we are going to draw the second point to see the relation between the current and the potential difference. And of course, if we wanted to know the relation between two things in physics, we must make the third is what is constant. So R equals 100 ohm constant to see the relation between the potential difference and the current. Let's see the third point now. If the potential difference equals 20 volt and also the resistor equals 100 ohm, so the current I equals 0.2. So we are going to draw the third point between 20 and 0.2. Okay? And so on. We are going to take different values. So the graph will be between the current and the potential difference. The graph is a straight line passing or starting from the origin, which is 0 point, okay? So we can say that the current through a resistor is directly proportional to the potential difference. And take care, the resistance is constant. The resistance doesn't change if we increase the current. This kind of resistor is an ohmic conductor. It's called ohmic conductor. And also note that the resistance will only stay constant if the temperature is constant. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.